Here I go once again, Buick Verano, changing the lower control arm, which is this piece here. And it has the ball joint, the new one has the ball joint already installed, so this is a very easy fix. Only thing that you require is an 18mm and 15mm crescent and an 18 and 15mm socket. So first off, what you want to do is you want to remove the ball joint right there, which is your 15. Then I'm going to put the air ratchet on the other side, and then your 18 is for those bolts right here. So let me remove this real quick and I'll get back with you. Oh, and before that, as you see if I can get in there, right here you have the ABS sensor right here. Where's my finger? Right there, ABS sensor. So you just got to remove those. You just take, see, it just pulls up like that. Like that. So remove that. And I'll show you what it look like once it's off. Okay, for that ball joint bolt, once you take this castle nut, I believe it's called, off, you have to come on this side. Where is it? Right there, and unscrew it out. So do not hit it with a hammer or anything. It unscrews out. Okay, as you see, I got the screws out. Right there, the screws are out. And right now what I'm gonna do is take my ball joint separator, place it right here, hit it just to disconnect it from the spindle. All right, here go the old one, but it was a son of a gun getting it off. So as you see, I had to jack the wheel up just to give it some height for the ball joint to come out. And then I just used this, put it in, and was hitting it down to pop it out of there, and it finally came. But while it's being changed, if you getting like a metal clanking sound when you hit bumps, see that? It's no good. That don't supposed to move. And then you just go vice versa to put it back together. Hope this video helps somebody out. Okay, now I done took the jack down. Now I'm placing the ball joint back in there. So you're gonna have to grab here and move it around to where you need it. And then you could grab this ball joint and it does flex to move. So as you see, I got it in the hole ready to go up. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put my jack right here to help push it up. You shouldn't see none of this silver. This black should be up there with the top, because you see that little ridge, that bolt goes across that. So you got to make sure that this thing is all the way up. So as you see, I got my jack positioned on the corner right there. See how it's going up? It's kind of hard to video and do, but I'm gonna see if I can jack so you can see how it just went up right there. So I'm gonna put it up until it raises up the whole piece, and then put the bolt back in.